Hello guys, we are the Juve Bros, and today I'm going to do a review on the CTR 360 my H32s. Okay, so let's get down to the shoe. The leather is a very good leather. It's a Kangalite leather. It's very comfortable, very stretchy, good quality. At first, the shoe may fit you tight, but after breaking in, like several hours or so, it'll be fine, like you're standing on a cloud. If you do have an extremely wide foot, this is not the shoe for you. Go for the CTR Chaquistas. But if you do have a medium-sized foot, these are the shoes for you. The name's written right on it. Right on it. Now here, they made the lacing so that because the strongest bone in your foot is here to kick the ball, so they made the lacing that you can kick the ball better. Here, the dampening pads are good for one touch control. Here, the suede finish heel, it is very comfortable and very compatible to form your foot. The tongue is very thin, but it's not cheap. It's very thin and comfortable. Here, as you can see, this helps you to pass, shoot, control. It's very good. It helps you control the ball more. The stud pattern is a blade pattern with at least 15 to 14 studs. These studs. Here, as you can see, this yellow stuff by the heel, it helps support your heel so that it does not get hurt. Oh, there's this thing here. I really don't know what it does. I don't use it. I don't know what it is. Overall, cleaning, it's very easy to clean. All you do, get a rag, here, clean the yellow parts really, because with this black stuff, with the black leather, you don't see anything. You don't. So it's very good shoe. Overall, cleaning, durability, control, shooting, passing. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and tell all your friends and family about this video. We're the best, and stuff. Very good shoe. I recommend, if you cannot dribble right now and you're starting to get up to training, you get these shoes. These shoes will get you where you need to be. Trust me, I've been there. I've been you. We've had those moments. This shoe will help you get through those moments. Trust me. Believe me. Bye, guys.